Good morning, dear friends. iINTELLIGENCei provide technology-based services. You will receive useful tips and tricks of daily use technology. Thank you. Dear friends, today's topic is how to use text to read in Microsoft Word. It's very easy. So this is the document I have. So this is a sample document. Now how to read this document? Right? There is an option Microsoft Word. Once you log into Microsoft account and enter into the Microsoft MS Office Word and then type this document, then after completing the write-ups, what you have to do is you have to go to View, click Immersive Reader.
Apple is reportedly ramping up production of iPhones, iPads, Macs, and other devices in India and Vietnam to end its dependence on China, and new iPhone 12 series could be assembled in India as soon as this quarter, Nikkei Asia reported on Thursday. Apple is increasing iPhone production in India, with plans to start producing the latest iPhone 12 series locally as early as this quarter. Apple is already assembling its highest-selling models iPhone 11 and XR in India, along with iPhone SE, 7 and 6s.
This is the process how to use text to read in Microsoft Word. Okay. So try to use it. It will be very useful. Okay. Thank you, friends.